How to see if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. So, there is no particular option if you go to your settings where you can see the list of people who have blocked you. So there is only one way on how you can see if someone has blocked you. That is, let me show you an example. I'll simply block myself from this device right over here. Let me simply block myself. Now as you can see, I've successfully blocked myself from this device. Now let's say you want to check if someone has blocked you on Snapchat or not. So what you'll have to do is simply locate their profile on your Snapchat and then simply tap on their profile. Now as you can see, it will not show the snap score, meaning this person has blocked me on Snapchat. Now if you go to any other person who has not blocked you on Snapchat, you can simply see their snap score. So that was the only way on how you can see if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. So let me repeat once again. Let's say you have a doubt that someone has blocked you on Snapchat. So in order to confirm whether they have really blocked you on Snapchat or not, simply go to their profile, and then if you don't see their snap score, it means that they have blocked you on Snapchat. So as of now, that is the only way on how you can see if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.